All right, let's break down the female reproductive system. Think of it as a group of organs working together, each with its own important job. First up, the ovaries. Two small, oval-shaped organs on either side of the uterus. Their main job? To produce eggs, or ova, and to release hormones. Estrogen, progesterone. These hormones control everything from your menstrual cycle to the development of female traits during puberty. Next, the fallopian tubes. Thin tubes connecting the ovaries to the uterus. When an ovary releases an egg, it travels down one of these tubes. If sperm meets the egg here, fertilization can happen. Now, the uterus, a muscular, pear-shaped organ where a fertilized egg can grow into a baby. If no fertilized egg shows up, the uterus sheds its lining during menstruation. Attached to the bottom of the uterus is the cervix, a narrow passage that connects the uterus to the vagina. The cervix lets menstrual blood flow out and during childbirth opens so the baby can pass through. Finally, the vagina, a muscular canal from the cervix to the outside of the body. It's where sperm enters.